The Rockwood KIT8S is a small post concealed mounting kit for a wood door pull. This lesson explains the pieces, the load path, and the checks that matter before anyone drills the door. A complete kit supplies hardware for 2 mounting points. At each point, the key pieces are a knife thread insert for the wood, a cone head machine screw, and a small set screw that locks the pull post onto the cone. The source package also includes 832 combination screws. The S matters because this hardware is intended for Rockwood smaller pull posts, commonly around 5/8 inch in diameter, rather than a standard large pull mounting. The knife thread insert anchors into the wood door. The cone head screw threads into that insert and leaves its tapered head proud of the face. The pull post slips over the cone. Then the small set screw bears against the cone and keeps the post from pulling off. That sequence is the whole idea. The visible pull stays clean, while the fastener is concealed inside the post. Standard Rockwood Type 8 surface concealed wood door mounting is generally associated with 1/4-20 hardware. This small post kit uses 832 hardware. Those thread sizes, post diameters, and cone heads are not interchangeable. A kit that looks close can still leave the pull loose, misaligned, or impossible to assemble. Match the kit to the exact pull model in post-construction. The original demonstration measured the insert, but it did not establish a factory-published pilot hole size for this special kit. Do not choose the hole from a caliper reading alone. Confirm current Rockwood instructions, the door construction, and the allowable drilling depth. Lay out the exact center-to-center spacing, test the insert in a sacrificial sample of the same material, and verify that it seats tightly without splitting or stripping. Before final assembly, check that both cone heads align with the pull and that the set screws engage fully. One important catalog check: current Rockwood small pull product pages may describe surface concealed mounting as Type 6S, while the source package and discussion call this special hardware Type 8S. Treat the kit name as model-specific or legacy terminology. Before ordering, give Rockwood the exact pull model, post diameter, door material, door thickness, mounting style, and finish. Ask for the current mounting drawing and fastener list that apply to that exact combination. Before installation, confirm 5 things. 1. The exact pull and post size. 2. Wood door construction and thickness. 3. The current mounting type and thread size. 4. Pilot hole diameter, depth, and center-to-center spacing. 5. Full engagement of both inserts, cone heads, and set screws. If any one of those is uncertain, stop and obtain the current Rockwood detail before altering the door. The takeaway is simple: small post concealed mounting depends on the exact hardware stack, not just a familiar-looking fastener. For Rockwood pull hardware, replacement kits, and application questions, visit absupply.net.